Well, it's 20 minutes past 3 and we are excited to be here. Thank you very much for welcoming me into your homes. This is the special edition of Father's Day live on Max TV, and we are here to say thank you to fathers. We are here to appreciate fathers. We are here to show them so much love and make them feel comfortable. We are here to urge them on to do better. We are here to say how much we love you. Welcome to the show once again. My name is Harriet Nartey, and again, this is the special edition of Father's Day live on Max TV from our studios at Dakoman inside Accra. Well, it's a very, very special occasion, and we are here to help you mark it. If you are watching us from home, remember, we will be displaying our numbers so you can get to be a part of the show. You share with us your messages, your fondest memories of your fathers. You let us know how much influential they have been upon your lives, how much they have contributed to your lives, and how much they have raised you to becoming a very responsible citizen. So I am going to help you do that, and I'm excited to be here once again. But then we have a very eloquent, beautiful, and articulate young lady with us, and she is going to do a very good job to fathers. Today it's all about fathers. She is going to do the spoken word, and she will be giving us some very emotional message when it comes to fathers as we celebrate fathers all over the world, in Ghana, across the world, wherever you are watching us from. This day is dedicated, committed, and it is given to you. We just want to say we love you so much. We are talking about responsible fathers, remember? So I have Stephanie Ampofo with me in the studio already, looking all nice and gorgeous. Stephanie, welcome.
Hello.
It's good to see you again.
It's good to see you too.
Okay, right away, I think we should begin with our message. What do you have for us?
Well, today is a very special day. We're celebrating Father's Day, fathers all around the world. So I dedicate this poem to my father, to father figures, and to fathers to be. This is truly for you. A true gift from above, a loving father, a husband, a friend, a brother, a mighty man, a protector, I call a leader, encourager, comforter, my cheerleader, a pillar representing strength. Today, tomorrow, and forevermore, I still choose to celebrate you, Dad, for all you do. Fathers working hard over time, dedicated, loyal with love to cover a multitude. You see, a father has a vision. His mission is to see his family happy. In all his ways, he strives to provide so we can survive, to stay alive. I say this with pride. That's what I call a real father. To the phenomenal fathers, the fathers to be, you're doing a great job and you can't be replaced. And to the father figures taking up the stand to the fatherless, your blessings will truly never end. I celebrate you in love and in honor for all you do. You remain in the hearts of many. Your role as a father is every day, but today is your special day. Thank you, Dad, for taking part, shaping and molding me. Without you, I wouldn't be here. Without you, I wouldn't even exist. Without you, who am I? Happy Father's Day to all the fathers around the world. We truly love and appreciate you. Happy Father's Day.
Wow, 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 Stephanie. Now that got me emotional.